Hey, good morning, everybody. It is 80 degrees under cloudy skies. We didn't cool off much last night, did we? 74 on that dew point, winds at 11 miles per hour. Moisture is pumping in. Obviously, you feel it at the surface, and it looks like we're going to get some storms here. Probably not today. I think tomorrow is the day that things kind of take off here. So, yes, and up north, big stuff going on once again. So, I will be in forecast mode for the family today. Let's go ahead and take a look, see what we have going on here. Radar showing, yes, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch up north. My brother lives at Lake of the Ozarks, just reported some hail up that way. More storms here in Tennessee, and you can see another watch popping there from around Knoxville down toward almost to Charlotte there. Asheville probably included in that as well. So there are some big storms kind of running around the area here. I like this out here, though. Those look like winter weather advisories, maybe some frost warnings, something like that. That I can really sink my teeth into. For today, it's going to warm up to near 90, but we don't have long to go. Upper 70s to low 80s right now, with 81 the hot spot there in Oakdale. It's just the humidity that we're so used to that makes it feel extra nasty today. And your high today gets into the 90s. It looks like we've been talking about this for days. And if it's 89 or if it's 90, it's still going to feel bad out there. But let's root for clouds and that one more day in the upper 80s. I would love that. Here's what future temperatures look like. And we are not optimistic about staying below 90, especially up there in Natchitoches at 92, 93 in Shreveport. It's getting ugly out there. Mid 70s tonight as we keep the moisture in place. Now, looking at the short range model, this is your high resolution stuff. I stopped it in a couple of key points here. A couple of storms possible during the day. Then tonight, it's possible we get some storms down to around I-20. I think these are going to stay just north of our area. They have pulled a marginal risk of severe weather down to our extreme northern parishes there, or the northern parts of them, but I do think this stays up north, so we're going to watch that, but it's not something that we're going to be waiting up all night for. But you can see tomorrow, it looks like probably tomorrow after, and now that time actually went a couple hours further. This was for 1 a.m. on Friday. Cluster of storms comes, and that's why we do have a slight risk in place. And this has been highlighted well by the GFS model. Here's what we're seeing as we get into Thursday. Thunderstorms, clusters running right across the northern half of the state. It's been incredibly consistent with that. I do think there's a chance for some stuff down south, but again, that chance for rain, let's say it's 60%, that's more like a 40 down south and an 80 up in our northern parishes, because we cover a pretty large area here. So beyond that here, it looks like pretty good weather Friday. So again, school field days should be good for Friday and Saturday, and then we get some more rain trying to nudge in by the end of Mother's Day. I think Monday and Tuesday look pretty busy once again. So today is Wednesday, yes. I don't know. Did I say it wasn't? It's possible. I say things. Here is your severe outlook for tomorrow. Slight risk, level 2 of 5 for most of the state and all of our area. That enhanced risk is going to be out in Texas, where I'm going to be moving my daughter out of her apartment. Could I be storm chasing later in the day? Well, I think so. Here is your QPF forecast. What is that? Quantitative precipitation forecast. And this has gone kind of bonkers. That's because a lot more rain's coming in Monday and Tuesday. So we now look at like 2 to 4 inches out of the whole thing. I think tomorrow we're probably going to see more like a half an inch to an inch out of those storms tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, and that's again mainly going to be in the northern half. But again, more rainfall is going to impact the state, it looks like, here over the next week or so. So your 7-day forecast, this is... Sorry about that. Turned the mic off, not took my face off there. Okay, there we go. So we have thunderstorms there on Thursday. That is 60% coverage. Again, 80 to the north, 40 to the south. So the chances for rain get higher as you go north. Friday and Saturday, looking dry. Sunday, I did tick that rain chance up. I think the day is pretty good, but we could see some storms coming in by late in the day. And then Monday and Tuesday, it looks pretty busy here. It is going to hold temperatures down to the low 80s. Severe threat is low right now, but it's not non-existent. And we're going to have to keep an eye on things as that gets closer. I will, of course, be doing that even when I am out of town for the weekend. I'm always glued into that weather stuff, so you, I think, know that. But let's take a look further down the road here. And I'll pull myself back up, back to the above normal. The few days of the glorious blues on the map, they're gone. In fact, they said, you know what, we're going to make the whole country orange. So above normal temperatures, that means we could see some more 90s for mid-May after that rain moves out by midweek next week. And with all that, we have well above normal precipitation. please add DeRidder. Usually Beauregard Parish is left out. Yeah, I know they're on. Here's how these maps work. When you zoom in certain ways, cities will pop up. It depends on where you're zooming and everything. I'll have to take a look back at that and see on that one. In fact, I'll just do it right now. I think that was on this. Yeah, see, now if I were to go in closer, well, not on that one. I guess I lied. All right, I'll figure it out. We'll make it happen, at least on the radars and stuff like that. Okay, see, you ask questions, you get half answers. That's what we do here at Cenla Weather. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will be on early in the morning. I think that's kind of how we're going to do it, and then I leave for College Station to go out there and move that kid out of her apartment where it's going to be storming, and I'll probably live stream if I see something pretty out there. Okay, I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. See you back here early tomorrow.